Hi everyone, today in this video we're going to talk about the normal English versus advanced English. So let's start. If I ask you 2 plus 2 is equal to what? You say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It's very simple. What do you say? It's very simple. It's very simple. It is a normal English. But in advanced English, you say it's a piece of cake. What do you say? It's a piece of cake. If I ask you, are you listening to me? Yes. You say, yes, I'm listening to you. So I'm listening to you is a normal English. And in advanced English, you say, I am all ears. What do you say? I am all ears. Third, I say, I made a mistake. What do I say? I made a mistake. I'm sorry. So rather saying I made a mistake, I say, I screwed up. What do you say? I screwed up. What do you say? I screwed up. Okay. You borrowed some money from me. Okay. You have not returned it so far. When are you going to do it? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot about that. Rather saying I forgot about that, you say it slipped my mind. Oh, I'm sorry. It slipped my mind. I just pay you right away. Oh, it slipped my mind. I pay you right away. Okay. Let's say if I ask you, can you swim? You say, no, I can't. I say, come on, give it a try. What do I say? Give it a try. It's a normal English. In advanced English, I would say, come on, give it a shot. What do I say? Give it a shot. I'm sure you liked the video. If you really want to improve your English, you can contact me. The contact details are in description box.